Hello and welcome to Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have a wide selection of over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be sure to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot, just like this one here today. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this specific truck and a full description or any other vehicle we have on our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival. Like I said, it's a 2004 Dodge Dakota. Guys, this is a hard truck to find in this good condition. It is in really good condition overall. It's bright red in color, as you can see. Front bumper seems to be in good shape. It does have a little bit of rust starting right here, but overall just a really good truck all the way around. I would say the roof, there's no dents, there's no hail damage. Paint seems to be in pretty good condition. 16-inch factory alloy wheels, as you can see there. They seem to be in really good condition. They're wrapped in a Bridgestone tire. It's a crew cab. This is a four-wheel drive truck, guys. Usually these trucks, when they come in on trade, they're not doing the best. They've been through the ringer, but this one seems to be in really good condition overall. Maybe a little more rust starting right there, but not much at all. Back bumper seems to be in decent shape. It does have a trailer hitch down below. Spray-in, or not spray-in, just a factory bed liner. It does have the Ram logo right up there in the front. All in all, though, just a pretty clean truck for the money. As you see, it's priced very, very competitive in the market. Something we try to do, especially with the older trucks like this, before we take them to the auction, like to give the customers the opportunity to purchase them before we get rid of them. This vehicle does have power mirrors, power windows, and power locks, and they all work. I did check that. The driver's seat seems to be in pretty good condition. 6-passenger vehicle if you flip up the center console. Same with the passenger, seems to be in good condition, I would say. Floorboard, I don't see any stains in it, any rips or tears. It has been detailed, so it's pretty clean. Pretty basic. It does have cruise control on the steering wheel. The radio does work, I checked that. The air conditioning and heat, the heater blows extremely hot. The AC, the compressor does kick on, but I cannot tell obviously if it's blowing cold air out, considering it's cold outside here. But all the speeds seem to be working, which is hard to find. Usually they want only one speed will work, or even none sometimes with these older Dakotas. So that's a nice feature to have. 4-wheel drive system, like I said, it is on auto all the time, unless you lock it into 4-wheel drive or 4-low. It does have some power outlets located in this thing. Pretty standard truck, really good condition, I would say. Definitely worth taking a look at if you're looking for a truck like this. As far as the back seat, I'd say it's in really good condition. No tears, no rips, no stains on the floor. Everything seems to be in really good condition overall. Like I said, guys, this is a 2004 Dodge Dakota. It does have higher miles, 190,000 miles on it, guys, but I drove this thing down the road and it shifts through all the gears fine, drives straight down the road, brakes don't pulsate. It is overall a really good truck as far as drivability goes. Everything seems to be working inside, from the power windows, the power locks, the power mirrors. From what I can tell, everything is working as it was when it was brand new. Crew cab, 4-wheel drive, Dodge Dakota 2004. It's located at Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be sure to see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they hit the lot. If you want to see a full description of this specific truck and all the pictures on it, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com.